Hey guys, welcome to Mr. King Game of our channel guys. So guys, in this video we are gonna play the twins game guys. In story mode, but not now game starting guys. Game will start, but listen the story at first. After listening the story you can see the game. So listen here. Na Godzilla Earth, nice here. It is very nice to come in this side. Okay, Godzilla Earth. Okay. Hey, Bob and Buck. Hey, run yaar, he'll kidnap us. I got you. Hey, no yaar, please. La. Excuse me. Did you see Shriyan and Godzilla is missing? Oi, what happened to them? I think how the thing on Bob and Buck. Bob and Buck will kidnap us, no? And criminals. I think they kidnapped my boat. So guys, let's enter to the game, guys. Oh, I think Ball will come to kill us and he will take his two friends. So, I will add the with guys, Granny and Grandpa. Okay, guys. Hey, Balu! Hey, Godzilla is down. Where is he? He is, I know. That that escape site. Inside the store, Godzilla Earth is there, guys. So please do something and save him. Please. Okay. Hey, but can I do? But his plan. But what the Bob and Buck done now, guys? He done this. Oh, sorry, I pushed you. Sorry. Okay, continue the story. I don't know that his plan is what now. He added Granny and Grandpa plus. But what to do to kill him? Hey, dynamite bomb. Hey, this is the way option to kill them, guys. Okay, come on, throw yaar. No yaar, you have to throw properly. Let all three people come, I will shoot them. Not shoot yaar, blast this. But I need Slendrina mask. But Balu, yaar, not scared, but I'm scared yaar. For saving my friend I'm doing, guys. No one should go, no one should escape. All should be caught over here only. All three low dead, guys. Where's Grandpa? Take care. I got Slendrina mask finally. Yaar, go up. Open this door, yaar. Open this. I have to complete this game here, however. Okay. This is the puzzle code, I know. I got blue key. What's there here? Dynamite bomb. I don't want here. Yaar. What's there over here? Dynamite bomb. I'll use for the big B, guys. And what's there over here? And here. Okay, here. I got blue key, however. What's work over here, yaar? Shriyan. Okay. Now time to get hammer. But what's here? Nothing. No one saw me. Guys, now I have to off the current, guys. Nothing is there. Yes, I don't want crowbar, guys. By coming back, I have to come back with Slendrina mask, guys. Now the electricity is gone, guys. Now I'm go. There another door is on, guys. I'm gonna open that. That door only, guys. Hey, yeah, one door is there. That door only, yeah. That only we are gonna open. Okay, first. Oh, I saw. From there only, guys, I got blue key. Okay. Go up. Ah, this one. This door I'm gonna open. Oh, and what's there over here? Oh, iron cog is there. Yes, guys. Oh, Bob. Take care. Slowly. Revolver ka part. But I don't want that. But you want, no? Yeah. I want. Granny came. Nothing is there. Bye. Boy. Okay, nothing. Guys, I got revolver part. Buck is now gone for 2 minutes. Ah, here. Oh. Current is on, guys. I got revolver first part, guys. I have to take my revenge now, guys. So at least one. Hey, grandpa is not dead, guys. I have to kill one grandpa. For that, guys, we have to go down first. Wait. Yes, yeah. Now 3, I don't know. Someone will come. This is very scared. I'm scared over here only, guys. Who saw me, guys? Oh, door handle. Come down. But you can see now, Shian. Don't feel scared. My God, Zillar. I'm very scared. Oh shit! हाँ यार हम कंप्लीट कर दिया and that too guys I thought one best thing will be down guys but waste yeah that's door handle I don't want door handle here but plank is here okay but I know the code guys code which code hey oh I understood yeah open this nothing green key I don't want close this here and close this Keep this. Here. Door handle again. Guys, 2 door handles I saw, guys. No need to tell. Wait. Have to take my revenge now, guys. I dropped first revolver part. What's here? Nothing. Hey, one drawers. Yeah, you saw now. One revolver part. That is pistol. Like pistol's head part. I know. Wait. I know, yaar. Wait. For that, I have to go down. Grandpa is over here. That too. That's the pistol head part, no? Grandpa came, guys. Hi, Granny. Bye. Someone will die, guys. Oh, who dead, guys? What? 4 people dead, guys. Then no need to wear mask also, guys. 4 people. Guys, I thought 3 people. As 3 people only will die. But 4 people died, guys. What a nice year. And the last revolver part I need. Last part. Hey, here you go slow. Not go slow, yaar. Have to go slow. If injury happens, hey, I know. You know Mona Lisa ka tasveer? Main thing. I know. That like place. Told you guys. Like disliked place. Now I'll go down, guys. Go down here. But I didn't find screwdriver till now. Guys, set up first part. Take this and set it over here. Set here. And the last volley part. Take it and my final pistol. Take care, is my pistol nice here, but I am very scared. If Bob and Bucker would do for me checkmate, guys, I will die, guys. My gun will lose, guys. So bomb is over here. I need screwdriver. I got iron cog over there. And where's button, guys? Oh, I know the one password code. One password code should be in this stair side, I think, guys. Not even here, guys. It have to be, guys, that stair code. The stair side code. 2213, guys. Oh, my application charging is low, guys. Okay, guys. Let's go, yaar. No need to worry. 2213 code. Code is 2213, guys. So, oh, Bob is alive, guys. 2, 1, 3. Hand wheel. Wow, guys. First close this door. Take this iron cord. Drop here. Hand wheel. Utao. And go. So guys, let's meet in our part 2 videos. So please make sure like and subscribe to my channel. And don't miss to click on the bell icon to receive all my notifications, guys. So bye, guys.